I can barely look at you, but every single time I do, I know we'll make it anywhere away from here. Light up, as if you have a choice. Even if you cannot hear my voice, I'll be right beside you, dear. Think I might not see those eyes. Makes it so hard not to cry. And as we say our long goodbye, I nearly do. Louder, and we'll run for our lives. I can hardly speak out now to say why you can't face your forced to say. Making up for all this mess. Making up for all this mess.